Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today, in our second video of the I-29 series, we begin at mile 3 in Kansas City. We enter the city limits of Northmoor. Briefly, blink and you missed it. Northmoor has an estimated population of 365 and covers just 1/4 of a square mile with just a corner touching I-29. Platte County was organized in 1838 from the Platte Purchase and named for the Platte River. Platte is derived from the French word for a low, shallow, or intermittent stream. The KCI Airport is located in Platte County and was originally in an unincorporated area but was annexed by Platte City and then by Kansas City. Platte County had an estimated population of 102,985, a 15% increase since the 2010 census. The terrible lighting conditions you see here will end in just a few minutes as we spent the night in Kansas City and started a new day of filming around mile 10. We enter the city of Platte Woods, which is entirely surrounded by Kansas City. Platte Woods had an estimated population of 405 as of 2019. Platte Woods is famous within the Kansas City area due to LC's Hamburgers, etc., and Pizza Shop's original location, both claiming to be from the town. However, both are technically right outside the city limits and are actually in Kansas City proper. Many did not realize this, though, because they're both located within a shopping center known as the Platte Woods Center. And we're already back within the city limits of Kansas City again. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And please give us a thumbs up and hit the applause button if you enjoy our videos. Exit 13 connects with Interstate 435 and the KCI Airport. We made a quick stop here, so we'll skip to the next on-ramp ahead. At exit 17, I-435 South heads for Topeka, Kansas, and we enter Platte City, the county seat of Platte County. Platte City was founded by Zed Martin and was incorporated as a city in September 1843. The Platte County Fair, held annually just outside Platte City, began in 1863 and is the oldest continuously operating fair west of the Mississippi River. On April 3, 1882, Jesse James planned a robbery of the Platte City Bank, but it was never carried out due to his assassination by Robert Ford on the morning of the raid. On July 19, 1933, Bonnie and Clyde were ambushed by and engaged in a shootout with local authorities just south of Platte City at the Red Crown Tourist Court. We leave Platte City and enter the city of Tracy, which had an estimated population of 337 as of 2019. Tracy was laid out in 1872 and named for J.W. Tracy, a superintendent of the Chicago, Rock Island, and Pacific Railroad. A post office called Tracy has been in operation since 1882. The city has a total area of 42/100ths of a square mile, or just over a kilometer squared. We conclude today's video at mile marker 27. As always, thanks for watching. If you would like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a like, post a comment, subscribe, share, and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.